Can I
Please,
start?
please, yes, please.
Yeah. Thank you. Hello everyone. Good evening. Vijay Kumar here, research scholar from Department of Physics, University of Lucknow. My work is on polymer composite, and theme is that augmentation of thermal conductivity in polymer composite by maximizing surface contact area of polymer filler interface. And abstract, the polymer with high thermal conductivity are the need of modern technology due to their robustness, cost effectiveness, and less carciness. However, where polymers are not good heat conductor due to their molecular structure and their non-metallic properties. Therefore, metallic filler of different shape and size have been used to enhance the thermal conductivity in polymer composites. However, there has been search for best geometrical filler, which can maximize the thermal conductivity effectively with same volume percent. From our numerical simulation, we show that the best geometrical filler are those which have high surface area to volume ratio. In such cases, the interface of polymer filler is maximized, which leads to the effective enhancement in thermal conductivity. To validate our claim, we use fillers with same volume percent but maximize the surface area. We also show that there is a completion between surface and the bulk of the filler in this maximization process. But surface area dominates that an effective increase in the thermal conductivity. We use three-dimensional model using ANSYS Fluent to show the characteristic behavior of thermal conductivity. Polyethylene has been used as the base polymer and aluminum has been used as a filler in all our model simulations. Composite materials are the host of new technology. They constitute the new building blocks of engineering and modern scientific advancement. The most studied composite materials are the composite polymers. Polymers have played an important role in the industrial development and numerous biomedical applications due to their low cost fabrication, robustness, corrosion resistance, and due to their lightweight. However, the composite polymer have limitation as heat exchanger because of their low thermal conductivity. The thermal conductivity of polymer is very low, and at least 100 to 200 times lower than the conventional metal, such as iron, copper, aluminum, etc. In spite of these limitations, these has been search of more functional composite material in the form of composite polymers, which should have high thermal conductivity. Note that the composite are the material which are composed of different phases. Each phases correspond to a homogeneous and uniform system. That is a new component or a new material. One of the basic questions that arises is that why the thermal conductivity of polymer is low. The fundamental reason behind this is the molecular structure of the polymer itself. We know that polymers are made of monomer by the polymerization process. These structures are such that they restrict the propagation of heat carrier phonons. In crystal, on the other hand, phonons can propagate for the larger distance without any hindrance, and they propagate linearly. In polymer, each individual molecules work as a heat processing unit. Therefore, the process of heat conduction polymer is different than crystals. There has been extensive research in design and fabrication of polymer composite in the perspective of obtaining good heat conductors. Most of these researchers are based on the composite made of two components, that is matrix polymer and metallic filler. It has been observed that effective thermal conductivity varies with the shape and size of the filler. Therefore, filler of various shape and size have been used to maximize the thermal conduction. Still, the basic question remains the same. What are the best shape and what are the best geometries to maximize the thermal conductivity in these composite polymers? Further, it is interesting to know why the filler of particular shape or geometry result in maximization of thermal conductivity than other shape or the geometry. There has not been any satisfactory answer to this question. In this study, we are trying to answer this very basic question based on our numerical simulation. We have done extensive numerical simulation to propose that it is the surface area of the filler which can maximize the effective thermal conductivity. Keeping the volume percent of the filler constant and maximizing its surface area, we can maximize the interface between the polymer and the filler. And this is the basic reason behind the effective enhancement of thermal conductivity. This can be understood in the view of polymer structure itself. As mentioned earlier, each molecule of the polymer work as a heat processing unit, and when the surface area of the filler is maximized, the interface contact area between the polymer and filler is also maximized. The cause more polymer the causes more polymer molecules to come into contact with the metallic filler. This gives rise to more heat processing unit in the form of polymer molecules and thus leading to effective enhancing the thermal conductivity. Therefore, the basic mechanism for enhancing the thermal conductivity in composite polymer is the surface maximization of the fillers used in various shapes. We have used the ANSYS Fluent 18.0 software. This paper is also, this is not part necessary. I am going to the next slides. And this is a picture. How can I show you? Because there's some problem.
Okay.
So I am going to the next summary and conclusion.
Okay.
Because this is the main point. Actually, main key the because of my research, this is the below 10% of the filler fractions. This is the key because of the many people are many researchers are doing the 20, 40, and 50. This will destroy the property of the composite polymer. Summary conclusion we can explain. In this study, we have discussed a completely new methodology of enhancing effective thermal conductivity in the composite polymers. We have used polyethylene as the matrix polymer and aluminum as the metallic filler. We explained. We have shown that it is the interface between the matrix polymer and filler material, which plays a major role in determining the effective thermal conductivity at the interface. That is, the contact surface area between the two components of the composite is maximized. The thermal conductivity is enhanced. Therefore, without changing the given volume percent of the filler by maximizing the surface of the filler material, that is the interfaces and hence the contact surface area, we can increase the thermal conductivity effectively. This was a new route of designing composite polymer using the filler which can maximize the gradient of the heat flux. There has been a search of best possible filler in shape and size to increase the effective thermal conductivity in the composite polymer. Our result clearly indicate that those geometrical structure will maximize the conductivity which have a high surface to volume ratio for a given volume percent. To validate this claim, we have used different filler in various shape and size and have shown the respective thermal conductivity. We have used filler with shape such as hollow cylinder. This is the key, and multi-hollow cylinder. And other fillers are solid cylinder, sphere shape, I shape, X shape, Y shape, T shape, and other. It is to compare the result. The basic and possible mechanism for the increasing in thermal conductivity by surface maximization is due to the molecular structure of the polymer itself. Polymer are thermal insulator in general. Unlike in the metal in which the phonons are the carrier of the heat flux, there is no basic unit for carrying the heat flux in the polymers. However, when polymer molecules, which are basically in the form of a chain, come into contact with a metal which has a heat flux, these molecules start local vibration. When the surface area of the filler material is more, it induces more polymer molecules to vibrate locally and they are coupled locally, thereby facilitating more routes for heat flux. Our results are the paramount importance in the fabrication of very robust and cost-effective composite polymer, which will find the high application in engineering and science. The less use of metal filler in the polymer will make it more lightweight since the density of metallic filler is very high. Here is the application we can explain. Polymer exist in our day-to-day life and have facilitated the human society from the very beginning of their discovery. Now they are being used in many mechanical and electrical applications. Polymer are also being used as heat exchanger in various cases such as chemical processing unit, refrigeration, air conditioning, food and beverage industry, liquid desiccant cooling system, microscale cooling system, electronic cooling devices, seawater desalination plants, microelectronic devices, mechanical heat units. Thank you for your patience. Thank you, sir.
Oh, very thank you. That your presentation is very well. Thank
Sorry
you.
for inconvenience of the share of the screen because I am so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not a problem. I'm very thank you. Please
Thank
can
you.
tell me about yourself, little bit about yourself. You are in lecture or student,
I'm a student, research scholar, PhD student.
PhD student in India.
I'm at the stage of submission.
Oh, very nice, very nice. And what time is it in India?
This is time 8 p.m.
8 p.m. Oh,
8 p.m. night.
oh, very nice. Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Kumar.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
We have finished your presentation. Next sessions
Thank you.
will start after 20 minutes if you want to
Okay,
listen.
sir.
But you
Okay,
know,
sir. Thank you so much.
conference language is Turkish and it's for you French. And
No, sir. I'm only understand English or Hindi. Hindi, you know, Indian language.
okay, okay. Thank you very
I can't understand Turkish or other language. This is very difficult.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. I'm glad
Thank
to
you, sir.
see you. See you later. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. See you later.